Hello, Emeni Jesus Makamu, African Professor, Mamu speaks person, Chief Linguist, African Professor, Kasaba Modern subscribe, share, hit notification, but entertain video for be better so announce Akabi. Nti we African Professor, Masamba African Professor on Fete platform, and I mean from Kwachi Bia. Sa video, Matidi me say, I told you, me catch them say, President Mahama and his brother Ibrahim Mahama played dirty politics on the low key. Tini you me say. I told you, me catch them. Ghana for I hope say it been muti. Omo madwunu mu dopa no a mo very very objective and as a fair minded people you understand say me say sir President JD John Dramani Mahama one ni Ibrahim Mahama me say they play dirty politics on the low key. Omu fingerprints omu ya omu kan nkofogu mom koye bone no a say omu nim hu bibia na oti akire. Nam si niyama ekoso Ghana nyina even before so mobile power no more power farm Mahama and then we are actually. So now obi baka akire me say I didn't know make us and say Ibrahim Mahama or no position ben or other or a member of the NDC but official position but ben what na no kasa da no and the money dangerous no. So odwa monyo me ma me ka si odwa monyo no and o boy hina Omo ti wa din no me see where we dangerous scratch Mahama me na make akire one. So the philanthropic akata nenim and wuska when yeska ninuya I president and and your businessman obviously no Mahama front man no and obaka you say on the in business that said the engineer near that when you see that the jetta cement near that yes that's how African leaders do. Omo ba omo ni omo siblings no ni omo busuafo no se me kra na bia me ho asa na me wa pompish kana mani nua na say na bi o trust no nti o also on your business dada now nobody is more I wasn't born yesterday just be a wa adwuru mu ha ha na baka so Ibrahim Mahama sika wo no somehow ni nua no enka ho bi enna ni nua na push na mana yesa nti no me say wa betre wi asa ka che me say Ibrahim Mahama one the onye politics ni ade no maka che so adwene mo ha pa na nipa bia nipa dasani wa asase so ha bia no by nature you are a political animal and you know the brother a politician or a president more or less no one de facto prime minister and I say your friend say vice president Ibrahim Mahama is vice president that's for sure and he says adia adentina Akufo-Addo na Akufo-Addo your president no mo sorry no be a bo Gabi Ochidako no official position be na Ochidako wo MPP besides so a member of the prominent member of the MPP just like Ibrahim Mahama a prominent member of the NDC but we say on only the say we low key when you know so and only on I said to be a say Hitler me say Hitler on Shakespeare sanko for the Shakespeare strong graded tomb for no on some promo you are huma ugire kira and who change so be more sana Ibrahim Mahama cool and collect one kasa and the only or any BBR behind closed door into a can be on any can be area what tell one people and him said only more no chase kamanko for on be ya no the private jet a cofano oh we nipa say mother Yakupon Babu Mosi they will say on your bonnet, I want to boom Obano. Say, Mos Ibrahim Mahama, we clean. One day on your bonnet, when you be beginning, we clear. Masa na just a moment, Gunisha. There be a MPP, we see MPP or power. Nana Akufo-Addo power no. The most sorry I'm can say Gabi Ochidako and the running things. And I said Gabi Ochidako, more or less, no, one de facto prime minister, and I say on the make appointment. Now, Argentina, Ibrahim Mahama, they want to make your appointment, your friend say, ne brother. Because then Mahama, it will be brave, but the body pa, the trustless brother pa, meet was and the trustless brother pa, and Ibrahim Mahama. And then the question is why? I didn't know when you remember be brave. I didn't know Ibrahim Mahama and any tight. Because one was starting business. And you know, obviously, no, with me front man or obeying richly. That's what it is. And me say, many of the political appointment and the money may cost so Ghana and money I didn't ye ready being and money I didn't I say, Ibrahim Mahama come. One who be Yankupon Hatasu, one him say, Ibrahim Mahama nim sɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ so wɔ Ghana nyinaa no sɛ under the brother administration no wonim ho bi. There's no way wonim sɛ yɛ nokorɛ sɛ ɔhome mframa no wonim sɛ asɛm a meka to no so a sɛ a lot of the appointment ɛkɔkɔ so wɔ NDC no mu ne adeade no onim ho bi just like na MPP wɔ power na mo sorry na mo accuse Gabi Ochirdaako sɛ on the dictator man na Akufo-Addo no saa pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛna Ibrahim Maham koraa deɛ dangerous because sɛ Gabi Ochirdaako deɛ ɔno no otimi wɔyɛ outspoken to otimi ka n'adwene ama hu where he's coming from and also where he was coming from. But Ibrahim Mahama is not like that. On kasa din na saa nkɔfoɔ no dangerous no so saa nkɔfoɔ no wɔn nkasa wɔn nsere wobɛhu ase yɛ so akɔyɛ adɔyɛ wɔ ha wɔyɛ nipa sɛ mata ɛti deɛ mɛka wɔ nyinaa sɛ Mahama waba wɔ target asantefoɔ ɛfaa no ne nua Ibrahim Mahama nim ho bi wɔne na ɛyɛ wɔne ne tue sika na meka sɛ adwempahene no ɔwu wɔ Germany no ɔwu yɛ deɛ na Ibrahim Mahama ankɔ yama ankɔ nsa ɔsoma nipa ma ɔmo kɔ Germany kɔ bɔnsa akwaa no adwempahene late adwempahene ɔde ne ba ato Ibrahim Mahama. What is the connection? Why was he so fascinated by Ibrahim Mahama? That's the question. So, and Tina make me say, want to me a targeting on. And yes, say just for check Ghana for the Adeka Krabi a BT Ghana for and say, Obia in South African leaders. No? And I say, what is bringing African down? Corruption, high level corruption. You know, the identity. President Biaba, and I say leader Biaba no say. Or pursue corruption near that. Not if you cry, or you see that concept in corruption as a decoy to target the political opponent near the idea. People will tend to support that. Nenubina Mahama JD Mahama Ibrahim John Mani Mahama Sa won't to me or targeting baby. Won't me now won't me or power no. MPP or power said no won't me can be chilling near the no. And to a fun who a time. One Ibrahim Mahama nyina and no targeting no saa no mo ye okateche fifa e de no okateche fifa ye na ye nso ya santini and two or criticize John Dramani Mahama government or was no tama MPP was so no criticize MPP ni de na ye omu dewo enti saa pepe enti so ahwe ho look at the party Ebeko sa asantefoɔ no ombe target you more because uhwa asantefoɔ no more entrepreneurs omo ye adwuma on businesses me ade nti obviously businessmen and business people no that's what it is omo ho ahi enti no obetag Mahama be target asantefoɔ no more na hope say na meka say na otumfuo be hu akiri mom tra ho ma Mahama nhyeda nfa mansia nyi kwan no hyeda ba eme kekeka enkrama ho brase bi nana na mba asantiri me baba jinhyira no ne ade woboa wodwa asantefo Mahama dwa asantefo ne Ibrahim Mahama nyina fake nti wo ya asantini pa na so ye wadwene mu dɔne ade ne se wo betra ho ne se wo be man kofo we use a na wo ye selfish because bia sika kakra ode be mama de asiu dan na so beboa mo ya edin enu kwa that's all matters to you na mse sa ankofo no na meka me say Ibrahim Mahama obemo bia gold what the gold be tare Ghana obi afie kura it doesn't me masa me fa bonganya swan see braye ko ba ni ade nyina no masa ye we this kind beko ene sunu sika ene sunu mama obi o sika no agimi no ni class so ti ase ya sunu sika ne sunu mama obi o sika obi wo sika to talk kasa kese enso na we adwene no ni class masa wo swag wo form now so swag wo form omo munim ye no say ye swag in the free band ma crow from CPC no ni ade ne be ba America ha ni America ne ye ba bepo nti ye swag na wo soro dada nti ye ntrama ofu bia na so bia mfa sa ni ma bi emitibiti ye some of them children na me say sa Mahama onwie obe target asantefoɔ no bebree that's what they do so the okay Ghana political history most of the leaders number no Ashantis number and answer non accounts no target asantefoɔ more and the question is why Rollins yes chire no who say no overzealousness no and I feel no who say Jimmy and Ojaye so the mitron and Mahama that's what Mahama is trying to do Ninu Ibrahim Mahama ni mubi sab wontumi a omu target no omu tin why you we hit the whole way no omu ko arrest no ene omu de ne fam no as if say we are under military rule and I say we are under Burkina Faso system of government and I say one party state be. Look at what Mahama is doing. And I make him say, I told you, President Mahama and his brother Ibrahim Mahama, they played dirty politics in the low key. Ya, down low. So, one kasa, Nadine, one yon pekasa, where you better, what you say, no BT, BT Ghana for them say. Accent for especially me catch them. I just want to remind you, Mamma Traho, and will be for Tekunis and poor be my dadamo. Nanko for no woman said that. Oh, Mahama and Indian woman said that and pass on to us some. I just got to be real with you guys. Woman said that. So, Messi Nanako for the power. The Piom so the Omo accuse you. Gabio Chidako so on a dictate Bibiama Nanako Fado. I didn't think Ibrahim Mahama there, you on a dictate Bibiama, a friend and a brother. John Dramani Mahama. I didn't know the neza because on Casa, me and non Casa. Sanko Fonso Casa, no, dangerous. No, the Biame come and see the most dangerous politician in Ghana in NDC this time, Ibrahim Mahama. Don't tell me, sir, when you're a politician, because by nature, and every human being, by nature, we are all political animals. And now, come to think of it, the brother and the president of Ghana, and also a businessman. And to once a businessman, obviously he will need government, assistance and I say, economic opportunities. And we're a politician. And you Obed Damo said, Messi Ibrahim Mahama is also a politician. The brother campaign on Kobe. Every now and then you see him on the campaign trail. Yeah. And you don't tell me so when you're a politician. Say Gabio Chidako, edited TB man and Akufado no more power nidia. San Ibrahim Mahama. The only difference between Gabio Chidako and Ibrahim Mahama, they say Gabio Chidako is more outspoken or Kasa, which means expressing him publicly, while a lawyer, and you articulate near that. Ibrahim Mahama, you're well educated, sir. And as you tell Dean, no one knows any dangerous way. You're born here, fingerprints. Who say, on a crown a year, and to correct Bibia, you won't see any traces of his fingerprints. And that is what makes him dangerous. And to command person, I say, command person, no can say, me and young say, your friend say, MPP, Ashanti Regional Chairman, is going through what he's going through. Your time, witch hunting, and I'm kind of a political target. A target some expedition. Almost that some fishing expedition. Almost that no more targeting. So I know me Mrs. Hano or me okay because of criticizing MPP and DC government. Now somehow no, I'm say Mahama official when a lot of votes into because of that or overwhelming mandate of Ghanaians to do all this bullcrap, dirty, crazy stuff. Now he will live to regret. So everything that has a beginning has an end. So what you say? I did be a wash as be a where we are just in Yanko some goa. And you want thrown in New Mahama no Ibrahim Mahama and Yedi Umbe now Town Besson. Tikuma person do one African professor on subscribe. Share with friends and family. I talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.